escarpment. So, and you'll see below the lakes here, Lake Minyara, Lake Natron, and Lake Eyasi, they're all to the right of the sort of dark lines, which are escarpments. So the way these are, it turns out that the elevation goes down and then immediately rises to escarpment, steep escarpment. So you have a depression right before the escarpment, and that's where you form lakes. And this is called the East Branch of the Rift Valley, or sometimes the Gregory Rift Valley, which comes down from Kenya. When it gets to the NCA and then Ngorongoro Crater, it splits.
Actually, if you look at page 6, you can see that better.
Oh, there's a better one at 6. Yeah, it splits, and then you can see that, and maybe go back to 7 just so you can see the details a little better. That Lake Eyasi is below what's called the Eyasi Escarpment, okay, which you can see splits off near the crater, and then the Minyara Natron Escarpment sort of continues down through. So that has a huge impact on the ecosystems. And I'm just publishing a paper that's going to go online on Monday, which shows for the first time that the side graph actually are separated into two, what we're designating as environmentally or significant units. And it's kind of a predecessor for them to be declared separate species. But because giraffes are really poor climbers, we've shown there's no gene flow, basically. So this paper will basically say that Maasai giraffe are split into two, Western Maasai giraffe and Eastern Maasai giraffe. And that's really important in terms of conservation, because there's only about 35,000 Maasai giraffe total left between Kenya and Tanzania. But the reality is it's split into two, and so it's even more precarious in terms of, they've already been declared an endangered subspecies. But this paper will basically highlight that the situation is much more dire than what we thought. Wildebeest are the same. There's a western white bearded wildebeest, and there's eastern wildebeest. And it's also, it's just because the escarpments are so steep that there's no gene flow that occurs between them.
I think Sabanisawa?
Yeah, Saba.
Chocolate.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Cookie time.
Yeah. Or communion. Franks